Hey, to set custom ringtone on the Realme Note 50, first you have to go to the settings, then you have to move into the sound and vibration, and from this I can change it for my first and the second SIM card. Let's say that I want to do this for the second SIM card. I have to scroll down all the way down and select to add ringtone. And now I'm redirected into my Google Drive, but also I can go into the storage of my phone by going here. And if I find here any file, I can just select this file and set as a ringtone. So there's like some music, ringtone. Also, as I said, you can actually go into your Google Drive, open your drive, and from this you can actually select any file. Also, you can go to the storage, to the external storage. So I'm talking about the SD card for sure. So from this I can find some data that I can set. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.